Hey everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and hit the ring bell for the future notifications. So today we'll be making the school bus prop for our kids to play, or you can use this prop for the school competition like poem recitation or fancy dress competition. You can use this prop for the poem called Wheels on the Bus Go Round and Round. So let's get started. So the first thing you need is a carton. I am going to keep this carton open. So I will be cutting the top and the bottom of this carton. तो इस प्रॉप को बनाने के लिए मैं सबसे पहले कार्टन लूँगी जिसको मैं ऊपर से और नीचे से काट रही हूँ बिकॉज मुझे ये ओपन चाहिए. Next I'll be taking 4 colors of chart: black, yellow, red and white. इस प्रॉप को बनाने के लिए 4 कलर के आपको चार्ट पेपर चाहिए होंगे, पीला, लाल, काला और सफ़ेद.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
I wanted to keep this bus as simple as I can, but you can do some more things like you draw kids inside the window, you can draw driver inside the window, you can make gate, you can make number plate on the bus, you can do some more detailing on the tires. So everything is up to you. I wanted to keep it simple. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this one, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe our channel, and if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.